Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to log out of Trust Wallet using your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If you are done using Trust Wallet app for the day and you'd like to log out of it, then from the first interface of Trust Wallet, go and tap on the settings button at the lower right hand corner. Remember that before logging out of your Trust Wallet account, if you don't want to lose your funds, you must know the 12 words recovery phrases. If you don't know it yet, tap on the Wallets button at the very top and tap on the Info button right next to Main Wallet. Go ahead and tap on Show Secret Phrase and reveal your secret recovery phrase. Copy it somewhere safe. Now, from this page, tap on the box right beneath that says I understand the risk. Tap on Continue. Before that, remember that you should not share your recovery phrases with anyone if you don't want to lose your funds. Tap on the Continue button in order to reveal your secret recovery phrases. Make sure to copy these phrases by tapping on Copy and store it somewhere safe. And once you copy your recovery phrases and store it somewhere safe, you can go back to this wallet page right here. In order to log out of your Trust Wallet, simply swipe your main wallet towards the left side of your screen and you should see a delete button and tap on delete. Now, if you need to log in back to your account again, then you'll need to go ahead and type in the recovery phrases that you backed up by tapping on I already have a wallet from the main homepage, tap on multi-coin wallet and paste in the secret phrases in the text box. After you are done with it, tap on import and you'll be able to get back to your wallet just like that. But always remember that you'll need to back up your recovery phrases in order to be logged in back again to Trust Wallet. That was how you can easily log out of Trust Wallet on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.